This is perhaps the most asked question. Tony, why is my Delphi injector not working? Now it takes 5 key points to get it right. Follow me and see how many you've got right. First, you gotta put cap or tape on the rail and injector when you remove the line. There's lots of particles in the air. It will dirty your connectors and go into your injector. And guess what? Valve gets jammed. No spray for you, mate. Number 2, seat cutting. Make the finish like a shiny mirror. First, you need to get an injector cutting tool like this. Oh my god, look at that. Too dirty, too dirty. No good. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Cut it first time. Not there yet. Need more. Cut another time. Perfect, shiny. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This stops the leak. Number 3, bleed your injectors, please. Wait a moment. If you don't bleed it the way I showed you after you've seen this video, I will be seriously very happy to take your money and get it going for you. So, back to the topic. Clean the injector line with a bottle of brake cleaner, run them through, then install the line one by one. After that, you need to tighten the rail side of connectors. Leave the other side loose. And crank the car until you see fuel coming out from the line. Then you can tighten them one by one and connect the electrical connector back to the injector. Number 4, never use water to wash the engine bay. Why can't you wash your engine bay with water? That is because there is nothing stopping water from going into the solenoid and shorting the solenoid to body. The seal is actually on the plug, like this. But from an old car, this seal will most certainly have some problems. It won't be perfect. In fact, it's very hard for you to buy this seal. So, just to save you the trouble, don't wash your engine bay. Instead, you may want to just use solvent or brake cleaner, and then like this, slowly blow it out, wipe it up with a rag. Now we should be able to start the car straight away. Number 5, most important one, rev it up. Rev it up, get rid of the remaining air in the system. Make sure you hold at 3,000-4,000 RPM for good 10 to 20 seconds. If the system is still shaky, you need to drive it hard, very hard, first or second gear. It will be stable afterwards. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more and see you next time. Find out about what cars use this type of injector below.